no, na. So ayan guys, no, maraming salamat.
Hey bro, how are you? Sorry? Road Julep time. Road Julep time. Don't forget everyone, subscribe, follow. It's Pokemon over here and you don't want to miss the amazing content. Thank you, bro. Alex Fraser. Canada.
So yun guys, may demo si Idol Diwata. So andito si...
So how many of these, how many containers like this you're gonna have?
I think 100 pesos is one.
100 pesos.
And this is only for 100 pesos per one order. And the chicken, of course, I think 50. So that's enough.
Okay.
Because I have we have a grocery package
over there.
Yeah, here inside my office.
Okay, very good.
Ngayon ba dito so yun Idol? Yung ano, yung grocery ngayon? With so Alex Tipan. So ito yung ating mga kasamang vloggers guys. Yan sila Idol. So si Alex Crisel, pa-support po ng YouTube channel. Yan. Ilagay natin sa link.
Ay, naku, walang ano.
So ito yung sitwasyon ngayon dito guys. So medyo maraming tao ngayon. Ayan. So meron tayong bago na namang kaibigan. Ayan. Ang ganda ng camera niya guys. Thank you very much.
Oh, Batman.
Oy, si Idol. Andito. Thank you. Thank you sir, thank you.
Dito ngayon tayo sa Diwata.
Sa Diwata.
Overlord Paris ni Ma'am Diwata.
Sa Diwata guys. So ayan si Batman. Yung masarap. Yun, si Idol guys. At dito sa ano ni Diwata guys.
Follow our page. Bakatman UR
Washington, Joey Washington.
Follow nyo.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
ABR TV.
Si ABR TV guys.
Shout out ABR TV.
Yes.
Follow our page. ABR TV.
Bakatman. Bakatman sir. Wow. Ayan. Bakatman. Yan nga pala Bakatman. Hindi ko na-gets yun
Thank you.
Thank you sir. Thank you.
Follow our page.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So
Bakatman, what's your secret power?
Here.
yeah.
When do you use it?
Yeah.
To fight crime?
Yeah. Swing. So yun guys, nagano sila papagit si Idol Diwata ng
Para sa demo.
yes, para sa demo and meron siyang grocery items ngayon ay pamimigay. So hintayin natin guys, abangan natin. So andyan si Alex Crisel from YouTube channel.
Ano isang lamisa pa? Tuloy ba yung ano ngayon? Tuloy ba yung pamimigay na?
Oo, tuloy yun. Kaya nga punta ako dito.
Kaya nga ako yun nag-ahong sabi ko sa katulong.
Oo, katulungan lang.
Bakatman, thank you po. Salamat po.
Bakatman.
Very good. How long you dressed up as Bakatman for?
3 years?
3 months.
3 months. Okay.
I have a business too.
Business too. Okay. Very good. Very nice.
When I deliver the food.
Okay.
Yeah, so the buyer.
Ay, doon po yung dining na ito.
That's good.
Yes, it's a good idea. Good publicity. Good marketing.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. It's smart.
Yeah.
It's smart.
Also support Bakatman Foods and Diwata.
Bakatman.
And Alex Crisel.
Yeah, Alex Crisel. So yun guys, tabay tayo sa ipamimigay ni Diwata mamaya guys. Meron siyang demo dito mamaya. So ayan yung ating mga kababayan dito guys ngayon na nakaantabay kaya Idol Diwata guys. So dami. So may mga ano ngayon, may mga activity na pwedeng mangyari ngayong araw na to. So maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Thank you very much. So
Everyone, if you're watching this, don't forget, subscribe, follow KBR TV. It's a wonderful channel, so you don't want to miss out on the Philippines content. So amazing. Thank you, Paul. Don't forget to follow.
Thank you,
Alex.
Alex.
Thank you.
So yun guys, thank you very much.
Makatman, this is your channel. Oh, the wife. Oh, Genda wife. Wow. Makat woman. Oh, Makat woman. Hello. Makat family. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, because this is beautiful people over here. Makat man, saving the day, superhero. So you don't want to miss it. Don't forget to follow and subscribe.
Yeah.
Thank you, Paul.
Pakatman. So ayan yung kanilang nangyari ngayon. So maraming tao ngayon guys. Ayan mga nakaantabay dito sa atin. So
Guys, thank you so much Alex Rizal for sponsor this post. Street. Ano ba tawag?
ano? Street children.
Street children,
Yeah.
Buy this phone and give to street children people who
Being homeless.
being homeless here, this area. So, abangan mo kami dyan mamaya. So, together with Alex.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sponsored by Alex Rizal from Canada.
Okay.
Thank you.
To helping Filipino people.
So ayan guys, yung ating bagong kaibigan and Bakatman. So hanggang dito. So ito yung tunay-tuniladang tunay-tulinada na baboy. So napakasarap, crispy guys. So nakita nyo naman kung gaano kalutong, gaano kasarap yung ating Paris Overload ni Idol Diwata hanggang dun sa dulo. So yun guys, thank you very much sa inyo. So ito dumadami na yung ating mga kababayan na so ayan guys, maraming salamat.
Hey bro, how are you? Sorry? Rojula time. Don't forget everyone, subscribe, follow. It's Pogi Man over here, and you don't want to miss the amazing content. Thank you, Paul.
And Alex
Grayson.
Canada. Wow.
Thank you. Yes, shout out from Canada, everyone. Philippines, #1. Thank you, Paul.
And
Thank
my
you.
idol Diwata.
Yes, I know the water. Yes, so nice. It's an amazing day today. So thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ayan.
Okay, let me go see if I can find May.
Si idol Diwata.
So ayan guys, so ayan yung piniprepare ni Alex para ipamigay doon sa mga kababayan natin na madadaanan nila dito sa along the Pasay area. So meron silang mga
Oh my God.
so
Kami nga dito, busy sa work. Ikaw, Red Horse lang ang problema mo.
ganyan talaga yung mga Amerikano eh. Red Horse lang ang ano niyan. Ang problema. Mahilig sila sa So ayan guys yung kanilang activity today. Ayan. So maraming salamat sa inyo.
Wala tumutulog. Yan.
Diwata.
Tulungan tayo pa.
Overload pare.
Tumutulong na siya.
Follow. Like and share.
Si Bakatman. Ayan. Ang aga ni Idol Diwata na gumising kasi nga meron silang activity ngayon araw. So mas maganda maaga tayong nagpunta rito para masubaybayan natin. Ayan guys, yung gaano kasarap yung sabaw pa lang. Suwabe na. Mapapapito ka na lang guys.
Oh, so much food. This is good.
100 pieces.
100 pieces. Wow.
And the second maybe 50 pieces.
Yes, May, she's getting ready. She's gonna come soon. Yes.
Ang heart is here. Oh my God, Mihak is
She
so
don't need makeup. She's beautiful without makeup already.
Yes! Alright. Yeah.
Wow, here she
Yes,
is. The
Oy.
queen of the Philippines.
Ayan pala si ma'am. So ayan guys.
Mihak ito.
Be quiet. Ayun si ma'am.
Ito 100 pieces lang, tapos chicken, mga 50 na siguro. Sinabi ko naman na sa kanya,
Not my heart.
wala mo naman.
Just clear only.
Sana all. Sana all.
Sana pa rin po rin.
So ayun parang mayroon na naman tayong kababayan na nakahon.
Make sure I look good. How can I help?
You want to help me give this one like this?
Yes, how